Hi everyone, this is Amy and welcome back to my channel. Today we're making a Korean carrot banchan. For this dish, we need to julienne up a bunch of carrots. I have this great little grater that does it for me. If you don't have one, just try to matchstick up your carrot as thin as possible. Don't get rid of those tail ends, put them in a Ziploc, throw them in the freezer and save them for the next time you want to make a homemade stock. We're also going to do an infused onion oil, so for that, we are going to chop up some onion, put this in a little pot, add a little neutral oil, bring it up to a boil, and let that simmer for 10 minutes while we make our dressing for our banchan or side dish. So for the dressing, we need to mince up 2 cloves of garlic, and in a heat-proof bowl, we're going to layer in a couple more ingredients. A little vinegar, I'm using apple cider, but use rice if that's what you have. A little salt, some smoked paprika, I'm using hot because I like the heat, gochugaru, ground cumin, and freshly ground black pepper, and last but not least, layer on the garlic on top. Now we're going to strain in our onion oil, save those onions for a different dish, you can caramelize them if you want, and stir this thoroughly together until all those ingredients are mixed and the oil mixes with our vinegar. We're going to tip this on top of our carrots. Then we're going to go in and mix it thoroughly, making sure all the carrots are coated in this really acidic, savory, delicious little dressing. Then we're going to put this in an airtight container. This will keep in the fridge for a while, and quite honestly, the longer it sits, the better it tastes. Put the lid on, cleaning the edges first, always. And there you have a very perfect little side dish. But there it is, Korean carrot banchan. Congratulations, now you know how to make it. Thank you so much for spending time with me once again today. I appreciate every single one of you. If you like this video, give it a like. If you loved it, please consider subscribing and hitting that notification bell if you haven't already, because I put out new videos every Thursday. Thank you again, and until next time, happy cooking.